Welcome back, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a website with games. So like if you see right here, I have my website right here, and then I have like, if you guys want videos, if you guys want me to make a certain video, right here is just a request, like a request page. And then you just, what should I do in the videos, and if you have a channel, what like do you want it to be shouted out, and then if you don't, then just put none. And then I have like a little music thing. And if you go check out the video that I made about it, then you can see it. It might take a little bit to load more here. And you can put all kinds of music. And then I have a little section right here that has games. And then like 8-ball, pool, classic. And then you can click play. Well, it shouldn't bring you to another page. I never tried that game yet, but there's build battles. Probably you guys heard of this game. The only bad part is it's like it's not full screen, but you can still play. And it's not like too laggy or anything. Kind of like it, but my internet's like not the best, but it just loaded me in. Now I'm playing pretty good. Alright, let's go get this gun. Oh no, I missed a gun. Well, now I'm gonna pickaxe him. Right there's minis. I wish it did auto pickup. So as you guys can see, yes, this does work. Alright, so then we have like knife hit, slope, bouncing balls, and then so I'll show you guys how to do it. Let's go to this. Well, why this is loading. So if you guys like want a certain game, like let's say Agario, or let's do Paper.io. Do that. This might not be actual. Well, wait. Yeah, it is. Okay, so you can either copy this link, the URL link, and then go on the website you want to do, and then you can either choose to have like the bar on this side or like on this side of the page, or like the top or the side. I did the side, looks a little bit neater and other things. And make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 likes. I mean, not 100, 100 subscribers, and then make sure you like the video too. So go to pages, and then there's this little drop down button. If it'll pop up. Okay, and then you just go to the bottom one and then click add. Then this is going to be Paper.io. Done. Then insert it, enable, paste the link you got. What you're looking for is whole page. Don't click preview, the whole page. And then everything works. You can just type your name in, and there you go. So then now you can go back to pages and look Paper.io and all your games that you want. So let's find one more game, and then I'll play it to show you how good it is. Oh wait, let's see if I have this game. I don't think so. So TANKI. Dot. It might not be the dot, but it's fine. Yeah. And instead of actually going on the website, I'm just gonna copy that. Well, okay, I guess I'll go on it. Copy. X out of it. Done. Insert. Enable. Whole page again. Do not click the preview, because then when you click on it, it's just gonna bring you to the site, and usually the site's gonna be blocked. So, and you don't have to publish the site. This is like you creating your site, and you don't have to publish it for unblocked games at school. And then all you gotta do is just click the preview. I'd name it something like homework or classwork, something like that. So let's go to Paper.io. Griff's Tech. Play. Little advertisement. It would look better for the actual creator one. This won't be here, and pretty much you can search the game you want. Well, it's unavailable in preview mode, but you can still search it. Maybe I need to reload this real quick. Oh, nope. Well, clicked it too soon, too early. Make sure you guys subscribe. Like I said, I'm getting to 30 subscribers. Guys, just want to let you guys know that I'm being sponsored by Rogue Energy. My code is TechMaster, TechMaster, and you get 10% off of anything that you order. Also, they have the starter kits. I'm pretty sure it starts out at $12.99, or even cheaper than that. You get 10% off that. Make sure you guys go check that out. I'll have the link in the description. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It's working. I just killed myself, but let's play again. It's a little bit weird because you're like using your mouse. But yes, all the games most games you can get. Like, I typed 2 games and I got both of them. So let's see if I can get the king. Oh, well, just died. But make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to be doing new videos every Friday, but every once in a while I'll be doing a new video. Today's Thursday night, and I'm doing a new video. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
It's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.